Feliz Navidad! Yes, it's that time of the year again. The best season to learn about Christmas in Spanish. Hi kids, are you excited that Santa Claus is coming to town? Me too. That's why I've prepared this wonderful video about Christmas in Spanish just for you. But before we start, remember that we post new videos every week. If you don't want to miss any of them, click the notification bell, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Eso! Are you ready to learn all about Santa, Christmas carols, Christmas presents, and decorations in Spanish?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Christmas in Spanish is La Navidad. And that's why I said Feliz Navidad when I started this video. That means Merry Christmas. On the other hand, Christmas Eve is known as La Nochebuena, the night families get together to sing Christmas carols, or los villancicos, and make a toast, or brindis, to celebrate this popular holiday. Now, what about our favorite Christmas character? The guy responsible for making millions of children around the world happy this time of the year. In Spanish, Santa Claus may be called Papa Noel or San Nicolas. Many times, kids call him Santa Claus, just like in English. Santa's reindeer are called Los Renos, and the most famous one of them, Rudolph, is known as Rodolfo in Spanish. Santa's elves are known as Los Elfos, and the North Pole in Spanish is El Polo Norte. Finally, in Spanish-speaking countries, Santa also comes down the chimney, or La Chimenea, to deliver the presents under the Christmas tree, known as El Árbol de Navidad. However, in several Spanish-speaking countries, children don't ask for presents from Santa, but rather from baby Jesus, or El Niño Jesús. Kids in Latin America also get presents a couple of weeks after Christmas from the Three Kings, also known as Three Wise Men, who in Spanish are called Los Tres Reyes Magos, or Los Santos Reyes. So every January 6th, Spanish-speaking kids wake up to discover presents waiting for them again. I bet you wish you were a Spanish-speaking kid to get even more presents during the holidays, huh? I know I do. Do you know how to say presents in Spanish? The Spanish word for presents is los regalos. Although in many Spanish-speaking countries, the weather is warm during Christmas season, snow is still a part of the tradition, and it's called la nieve. A snowman is el muñeco de nieve. A snow angel is el ángel de nieve. And a sleigh is el trineo. If you want to learn more about how kids celebrate other traditions in Spanish-speaking countries, ask mommy or daddy to sign you up for a free class with one of our friendly native Spanish-speaking teachers. All they have to do is click here and sign up. No payment or credit card is even required. It's that simple. Just like asking Santa for a present or riding a sleigh on the snow. Let's focus now on some common Christmas decorations, or los adornos navideños. Do you know what Spanish-speaking children call Christmas lights? Las luces navideñas. And what about a Christmas wreath? That's la corona de Navidad. Now, for the Christmas tree decorations. The garland is called la guirnalda, while the star on top of the tree is la estrella. Finally, the candles are so typical during this time of the year, are known in Spanish as las velas. And the stocking hung from the fireplace is called el calcetín navideño. Before starting with the all-important Christmas food, I want to touch on two Christmas symbols that also exist in Latin America: mistletoe, or el muérdago, and the nutcracker, or el cascanueces. The last one has a pretty funny name, don't you think? Now it's time for some delicious Christmas dishes, drinks, and desserts. In many Spanish-speaking countries, turkey is the main dish during Christmas dinner. It's known as el pavo. However, Christmas food is more about those sweet desserts, such as nougat, known in Spanish as el turrón, and marzipan, or el mazapan. During the holidays, Spanish-speaking kids love to drink hot cocoa, or el chocolate caliente. There's also eggnog, or el ponche de huevo, in these countries, but it isn't quite as popular as other drinks. Just like you, Latin American kids love to eat candy canes, or los bastones de caramelo, gingerbread houses, or las casas de jengibre, and all types of cookies, or las galletas. In Latin America, La Navidad has a religious connection, and that's why you'll see lots of nativity scenes near Christmas trees in these countries. These representations of Jesus' birth are called el Belén, or el nacimiento. Traditionally, they include an angel, or el ángel, the Virgin Mary, or la Virgen María, and Saint Joseph, or San Jose. These nativity scenes usually include a cow, or la vaca, a donkey, or el burro, and shepherds, or los pastores. Wow, that was a marvelous Merry Christmas in Spanish. Now you're ready to celebrate La Navidad in Mexico, Guatemala, or any Spanish-speaking country. I hope you've enjoyed learning Christmas vocabulary in Spanish and learning about the way kids in Latin America celebrate this important tradition. Study the new words that you've just learned and be sure to practice using them during this Christmas season. Did you like learning about how Spanish-speaking kids celebrate Christmas in their countries? Tell me in the comment section below which words were your favorite ones and what other words you'd like to learn. You can also tell me what other traditions in Spanish you'd like to learn about. Maybe next time we can make a video about it. If you'd like to learn more about other holidays and traditions in Spanish, watch this video about Halloween. And that's all. Thank you and Feliz Navidad! I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell to never miss the best Spanish content on the web.